Hi, hello, vanakkam. Welcome to my channel. My name is Srileka. I make some video contents related to my exploration videos, the places I hang out, and recently I got fall in love in making beaded jewelries related to that content, and even some of those products I try on my skincare products too. And if you want, you can check out in my channel. Today in this video I'll be showing you all my handmade jewelry which are specially designed for festivals. You can use this as an occasional wear for special festivals or else like parties, or this are well suited for some of the beautiful saris. So I'll be showing it one by one. I made this all by my own. So if you like this video, please hit on a like button and please subscribe to my channel. Then these are like very beautiful. I designed it. The thing is that I made earrings too, for the reason that I just want this make as a set. This looks very beautiful set, and this one is with different sizes of pearls and with golden beads. Okay, the thing is that I used three different sizes of pearls in this, which were lovely, and this one is with I want to try something new, so I thought of trying this. And this one is like black beads. Black bead lovers should hit like for this video for that particular one. And then this is with yellow red combination with some of the golden beads, and this one is purple and pearl.